Hey everyone, Ben here from Sun Prototyping Design, back again this week with another quick video for you on how to make a rolled hem seam. This week we're going to show you how to make my favorite type of seam, which is a rolled hem. I use it all the time on outdoor gear such as stuff sacks, backpacks, and other things because the seam takes one step, it's waterproof, and doesn't require any other finishing. It's a great seam. I'll show you guys how to make it on the machine. So the setup for the rolled hem seam is super simple. First, just make sure that you have the fabric folded so that the outside facing fabric is on the inside for when you flip it inside out. And then really all you're going to do is fold the fabric over twice, so that way the raw seam is hidden inside the folds. So folding it once, here's the raw seam, then folding it one more time so that raw seam is hidden inside. And from here you can go right to the sewing machine. So once we've got the fabric rolled, you can go ahead and stick the end of the hem underneath the presser foot and put the needle down. And from here, the job is pretty simple. All you gotta do is sew a straight stitch right down the seam and make sure that the rolled hem stays rolled the entire time. So if you have a really long seam, it'll tend to get unraveled. Just make sure that as it goes through the presser foot, the seam stays, together, and you can go ahead and sew it. So I'll sew forward, back tack, and then just sew a straight stitch right down the middle, making sure that the seam stays rolled the whole time. Back tack to end it, pull it out, trim off the excess fabric, or the excess thread, and here you have a nice finished rolled hem seam right here, which is perfect for stuff sacks and other applications like that. Doesn't look like anything different than a normal seam on the outside, but on the inside is beautifully done. It's already finished, doesn't require any bias tape or binding, and it's actually pretty watertight. I can run this under a sink with running water and no water will get through, but if you want to really make sure, you could cover it with some tape or some seam finisher. But it works really well just as it is straight out of the sewing machine.